Welcome dear students in part 2nd of some basic concepts of chemistry. In this part we will have a look on the 5 main states of matter, that's solid, liquid, gaseous state, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate state. Before watching part 2, if you have not watched the part first, then click on the above link to watch the same. Now first we will have a look on the 3 main states, that's solid, liquid and gas. You can see the packing in solids, liquids and in gaseous state. In case of solid, the constant particles are tightly packed. There is close packing. Internuclear distance is very short. Particles are held very close to each other in an orderly fashion. Particles do not have freedom of movement, they show only vibratory motion. And solids have definite volume and definite shape. In liquid state, particles are loosely held together and therefore can move around. Similarly, they have definite volume but no definite shape. They attain the shape of container in which they are kept, as you can see. So in case of gaseous state, particles are very far apart from each other. Intermolecular force of attraction is very weak as compared to solids and liquids. So you can see the order of arrangement. Gases have neither definite shape nor definite volume. They take the whole volume of the container in which they are kept. Now these 3 states, solid, liquid and gaseous state, they are interconvertible. They can be converted into each other by simply heating solid. It gets converted into liquid state, and then if we further heat the liquid state, it gets converted into vapors, that is the gaseous state. Similarly, the gaseous state, it can be converted back into liquid state by cooling and by pressurizing. Similarly, liquid state, by further cooling and decreasing the temperature, we can convert it into solid state. Now let's recap. So all the 3 have definite mass. Solids have definite shape but liquids and gases do not. Solids and liquids have definite volume but gases do not. Solids are incompressible. Also liquids are incompressible but gases are highly compressible. Solids do not show fluidity. Liquids and gases show fluidity. Solids show rigidity. Now let's have a look on plasma state. It was first described by Irving Langmuir in 1928. It is a superheated matter consisting of super energetic and super excited particles which include positively charged ions and electrons. It's prepared by superheating a gas or subjecting it to a strong electromagnetic field. Examples include sun, stars, neon signs, etc. Bose-Einstein condensate. It was first predicted by Albert Einstein and Satyendranath Bose. It's prepared when a gas having very low density, nearly 1 upon 10,000 to 1 upon 100,000 times that of normal air, and is then cooled to very low temperature, nearly absolute zero, that's minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. In Bose-Einstein condensate, atoms are super unexcited and super cold. Thank you for watching.